can't hear. There we go. One more. Oh no! What is that? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Christen Dominque. I'm a beauty creator, mom, your fellow TikTok dance mom. I am also the founder of Dominique Cosmetics. I am here to share with you guys a hair hack that's going to change your life. Can you believe I did this? Can you just believe that I did these curls today with this? This is a robe. This is a waist tie from a robe, and this is how I created these curls. I'm gonna show you guys this heatless hair hack. So if you wanna see how to do this, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the Dom fam. And without further ado, let's get into this video. The first thing that I'm gonna do is prep my hair. To do that, I'm using the Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 primer. This thing is amazing. It has 10 benefits. It detangles, reduces frizz, also protects against thermal damage. It's amazing. It's also Eva NYC's bestseller, and it's nominated for an Allure Beauty Award this year. That is absolutely amazing. I'm so proud of this primer. I use it every day. It helps to strengthen my hair. It makes it look smoother, softer, and it's a lot more manageable. I'm so grateful I get to partner up with a brand that I love, and Eva NYC is sponsoring this part of the video, so huge thank you to them. I love this primer, so I can't wait for you guys to try it too. Once the primer is all throughout my hair, I brush through with a wet brush and then I blow dry it so that it's calm, because naturally my hair is a little crazy. It's not too wavy, it's not too curly, it's just like in the middle where it doesn't have like a real shape. It's just really frizzy. So I calm it down by doing these two steps, and then I go into styling however I want. Okay, I'm so excited. So the essential part of this heatless curl hack is a robe waistband tie. So this is from one of my robes, random, but this is all you're supposed to need for this. And after you're done, I'm just gonna cut these because this is what Marcella did in her video. I hope I'm saying her name right. She got these old pantyhose, which I've only actually used these once about 5 years ago. And so they're very like new and fresh, but I'm still gonna cut them because I don't see myself wearing them anytime soon. So I'm gonna cut them and then put this over my head. I'm actually gonna do that now with you guys so we can do this together. So I'm cutting through the pantyhose, and now we have this thing. This is gonna go over my head. That looks very uncomfortable, but we're gonna make it work. So the first thing she does is take the robe tie and puts it on her head like this. It's even, sort of. I'm gonna separate the hair in the back so I don't miss any hair. It's separated. And then I'm gonna tie one side so it's out of the way, like that. So now that this side is tied up, I'm gonna focus on this side. And the first thing I'm gonna do is take the first bit of hair, like about this much. And I usually like it to go back. So I'm gonna take it back. I'm actually gonna pick up a little bit more. And then I'm gonna bring it around the robe, like that. And then once I get to the back of it, then I'm gonna take another piece of hair from the front, and then I'm gonna bring together the hair strands, and then I'm gonna curl it backwards, like so. And then once I get to underneath the robe, then I'm gonna pick up some more hair, do the same thing all the way down. So just take a little bit more hair, bring the pieces together, and then curl it back, or bring it back, loop it around, get some more hair, bring it together, loop it back. So I'm at the midway point. I feel like this is really easy, but I still have some more hair. So now I'm just gonna keep picking up the hair that I have and bringing it over. Make sure you don't miss any hair strands, and do the same thing over and over until the end. Once you get to the bottom of the hair, you just keep wrapping it around if you have no more hair to grab. You just keep twisting it to the end like that, and make sure it's all wrapped around the robe tie. And then to make sure that it's really tight, just wrap it all, like tighten it, all of it together. And then wrap it around like a little bun, like this, the back of your head. Make sure the tie goes all the way around, like Princess Leia. And then just tie it. I think that's good. I'm just gonna leave it like that. All right, so I'm gonna do the other side. So I'm gonna do the same thing. Take this front piece of hair and loop it back, pick up new hair here, bring it together, wrap it around, and then pick more up, bring it around here, bring more hair, join it with the bam, bring it around, grab more hair, bring it around. I'm at the bottom, so I'm wrapping it all the way around and then tightening it. I'm gonna wrap it around really good and tie it into a Princess Leia bun. And then take this hairband and just bring it over. This looks crazy. So now that we're done with this, then I'm gonna take this guy that I made earlier, and you're supposed to cover the pantyhose, and you're done. And then you just sleep in it, and the next day you're supposed to have beautiful curls. This side looks totally different than this side, but hopefully it looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and take my makeup off, get ready for bed, and then I'm gonna come back tomorrow morning and show you guys how this turned out. Wish me luck. Just following up with you guys, I have the stockings on underneath, but then I put this hat on over it so I don't look crazy all day. I am wearing this because I wanted to film earlier, so I'm wearing it all day until night, so it's gonna be really curled, hopefully by tomorrow morning. If this works, this may be my new hair curl routine. I don't know, we're gonna check it out. I'm hoping that I get big, soft, voluminous waves. Let's pray for that, but I'll keep you updated and let you know how it comes out. Good morning, guys. This is the next day. I slept in this thing. It was very uncomfortable. I can't tell you how excited I am to take this thing off of my head, so I'm gonna just get right into it. I'm excited to see how this is gonna turn out. Here we go. Here we go. Are you guys ready? I can't tell you how amazing that feels to take that off. Okay, so we did this side first, so I'm gonna do this side. I'm gonna take this side down first and unravel the craziness. I already see the curls. I already see the curls. This is crazy. Oh my God. What? Okay, I'm gonna take down the other side before I start judging it, because it does feel really tight. All right, so this is what it looks like without shaking it out or anything. It's very curly. Some pieces are a little funky, but we're gonna fix it. This is the tight curl version. So if you like tight curls, this is good. I don't. So I'm gonna just do what she did in the video, and she just shook her head out. So I'm gonna flip my head over, shake it out a little bit. Okay, so this is not bad at all. I would still honestly, personally go in just with a few little curls and just curl them back, because I feel like it got a little weird on some parts. And then obviously right here at the top, I would definitely fluff this part out too, but I think it looks pretty good. Yes, I would try this again. I don't wanna lie to you guys, I do wanna fix some pieces. So yes, this is a heatless hair tutorial, but it's also, I mean, it's real life. Sometimes things just don't work out exactly how you want them to, so you gotta fix it up a little bit. So I'm just gonna go in with my curling wand on the back end and fix those up a bit. So it's just these little back hairs, and then the rest is already nice and curled. I am in love with how this looks. It's so easy, especially if you're tired of damaging your hair and you just want to give it a break and you still want these like wavy curls. I would definitely try this out. Let me know if you guys do try this out. I want to see how your hairstyle turns out. Does it look like curls? Does it look like curls or does it look like waves? What do you guys think? Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up to let me know that you liked it. Also, I have 2 videos over here on the side. Check them out. They're waiting for you. And before I let you go, I want to remind you to love yourself before anything else. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, dollies.